Hi J.Queens, welcome back again to another juicy content. If you're new here, hello, my name is Estelle. So today I'm going to be doing a full face of NYX tutorial. Everything I'm going to use today is from NYX. You guys know I love NYX so much. I use a lot of their products. So I said, why not? Let me do a tutorial, everything that has to do with NYX. If you're not subscribed, join the family. I'd love to have you here. For my old and new subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And thumbs up this video if you like it. And let's get straight into this tutorial. So for my eyes, I'm going to be going in with the NYX brow pencil in Espresso. This pencil is kind of tiny for me, but I'm going to manage it and see what I will do. So to clean my under eyes, I'll go in with this Born to Glow concealer in Cappuccino. So I went ahead and used the shade Natural with the same concealer just to brighten my brow bone, because I like my brow bone to look a little bit bright. So I'll use the same shade all over my lid. So this is the palette I'm going to use today. It's called Sweat by It, and I'm going to start with this shade right here. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just placing this color on this part of my eyes, on the outer part of my eyes. Later on, I'll get a lighter shade and blend it out. So to blend that out, I'll go in with this shade close to it, this shade here. So going back to that shade again. So I'm basically going back and forth, just repeating the same step. I'll lose this color, I'll place it back. That's just what I'm doing. To deepen the outer part of my eyes, I'm going to use this brown shade here. So to cut my crease, I'm going to use this Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. So I'm using that color we used before. I'm just blending the edges out. I'm going to go into my glitter glue from NYX. So I'll go in with this NYX glitter, and this is in 02 Rose. I guess that's what it's called. So I don't know that this stuff stopped recording, but so I'm applying the glitter all over my lid. So now to line my eyes, I'm going to use this gel from NYX. take this color again and I'll just blend out here. Alright my queens, I'm gonna pop on my lashes and stay with me and I'll be right back now. Okay, so to prime my face, I'll use this Total Drop Control primer. So to add a little bit of glow to my face, I'll use this Away Glow. You guys know I like to use the Born to Glow foundation, but today I want to try my Can't Stop Won't Stop. Like, it's been a while I used this. I pray it doesn't disappoint today. This is a full coverage matte foundation. I used to hate this foundation because I think it doesn't really blend in well, but today I decided to try with a damp beauty sponge and wow, I think this is one of the best drugstore matte foundations so far. Enough of the blending, let's get into this. So for my concealer, I'm going to go into the Born to Glow in Mahogany. I'm going to use that to conceal my under eye. I'll go back to that damp beauty sponge and I'll use that and blend out. I'm going to use this natural and I'll just place it here. That sponge, I'll take a clean side. So I'll go in with a powder first. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder, and I'm going to use that to set my under eyes first. I'll go in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop in Banana. So I'm going to set my face using this powder, the Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. So to contour my face, I'll use this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in Deep Walnut. So I'm just setting the perimeter of my face, all the places I did not conceal. I'll use the NYX Sweet Cheek Matte Blush in Risky Business. So for highlighter, I'll use this Born to Glow highlighter. So going back to that palette, I'm going to use this color here and this dark color here. I'll put that under my eyes. I'm going to line my lips using the NYX lip pencil in Club Hopper. So on my lips, I'm going to go in with the NYX lip gloss in Bit of Honey. So in the middle, I'll go in with Apple Strudel. I'm going to use this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray to spray my face. Alright my queens, we've come to the end of this full face NYX product NYX tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole look. I enjoyed creating this look. Let me know in the comment section what's your favorite thing about this look. And if you're not subscribed, hey, can you subscribe? Join the Juicy family and thumbs up this video if you like it. To my old and new subscribers, I love you guys so much. And if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for subscribing. And yeah, I promise to keep giving you juicy content, and thank you for owning that crown as a juicy queen. I love you guys. Bye.